Oh, this bitch is big now.
You got plenty of room over here. Though.
These tires grab, and when they grab, like, ain't much I can do.
Get ready, because it don't get no better up here.
Thanks.
Stop right here. Let me.
Hold on, let me scoot up a little right
yeah. I ain't even going. All right, so we're gonna go right here, and then we're gonna turn right and go down that way. Do not go straight, because we are gonna get fucking hung up. Yeah, right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut. Get over this first dip. Cut back in.
Woohoo! Good job. Perfect. Like a glove. Like a glove? Oh, look at this easy trail they made.
Which way you want to go?
That way.
That way?
Yeah.
Okay. I said, don't tell me, bro.
When my bike broke bad that time, it was right over there.
Oh.
This is a cool little trail. Are you gonna get out of the water right here, and then we're gonna get back in it up here, okay? Yee-hee-hee-hee! All this was fucking logs last time we came out here. You had to drive over logs.
Oh, yeah. That was fun.
I guess they finally broke the fuck up, you know what I'm saying? This had just been logs. Look at all of that shit. Put it in 4 to get over them damn logs. I mean, fuck this, trying to go that way.
Yeah, it ain't getting me out of it.
There you go. Now we slide the other way. We'll go left right here.
Oh, goddamn.
Too though. I wish this motherfucker went on for fucking a mile, but
This is kind of like that, look like that nice little water trail at
Creekside.
Sabine. No, dude.
Oh, it's Sabine?
Yeah, Creekside's got a cool little, it's short though, but it's a sweet little ride. Got a couple cool ones. I just like it though because it's 28 minutes from my fucking house, man. And I know all the trails.
Yeah.
I take my kids out there and we have a great time. Which way?
We're gonna take a right.
Nice little trek though. I like that. Little work in.
Yeah, go on, get that 4WD, big dog. Put it straight through there. You want to stay on the right?
Good. Think so?
Yeah.
You really hit that damn radiator. We might be close.
I don't know how Chad's old lady's gonna get through here. Oh. I'm guessing that a round trail right there. Cause well that wasn't as deep as that last shit you went through though. Pull us up in the shade though. Whoa, motherfucker.
Got another one?
That big daddy long legs. It scared me. Pull up, let me get to the beers.
Oh yeah.
To the beers. Alright, cool, right here.
Hey, that dropped that tint though down to 158, baby. I don't give a fuck.
No, and I wouldn't send you through it if I didn't. Are they none of them coming through it? Bitches. I'm glad I'm not riding with one of them. Can't go around it. No, it was just sitting there when it died.
Hey, sometimes the four-wheeler can't do what a side-by-side does. It's all right.
Hey, you got them little T-Rex on.
Hey, T-Rex says fuck you.
On box.
Which way?
Go make them turn around.
Yeah, baby.
I think I was holding it.
Thanks, buddy.
I got some good footage.
Oh, shit, I got messed up.
Chad! Hey! Why you turn around? We just have to yank him rope up to his bunk ass. No, stay right here. What you gonna do? You wanna use the winch or you wanna use that anchor?
Whatever. If y'all want to put it on video, it's in the back. There's that deal and the shackle.
It's that damn stump I keep hanging up on.
There's burns.
Good. This one ain't burning.
Mama put all kinds of shit up in this mofo, bro. Uh-oh. No. Well, he might get out of there.
Got it, Chad.
I ain't going in there. I wonder what that side looks like coming out of here.
Why are we going that way?
No, I'm talking about for them coming out. I'm not going back that way.
Yeah.
If I go anywhere, I'm going right back down the middle, bro. There you go. Get that joker going. See, I do that, I get stuck like Chuck. It just grabs me and I fucking sit. Because he can lean on it.
Hey, we'll get out of y'all's way. Hang on. Oh yeah, the Honda. Huh? Oh, those are the System 3s. Those are a little bit different.
Oh, they're different?
Yeah. It's basically the same tire made by a different company, I think, pretty much.
Yeah, I put them on an hour before I loaded on the trailer.
How you like them?
This is my first ride on them. So far, I ain't been doing Yeah, the stickers are still on them.
Yeah.
No, they've done very
They
well
ride pretty
so far.
smooth, that's what I've been told.
Way smoother than what I thought. Which, I got these over the VKTs because I figured they'd be a little bit lighter. Looks like you can't get out over there.
Looks like we could go that way. Or we could go straight across there. I don't know. Bro, I'm not gonna bullshit you. I don't have a clue.
Creep.
I think if you stay in the middle that it gets deep, but it's fine.
That water's moving in the middle, bro.
It is too. It might get crazy, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna creep. I got a feeling we might mark across this. You see how green that shit is in the middle? Oh, dang. Right through there, I'm not sure.
I don't know, you better back that motherfucker up. Let's go straight back. Go, he's back there. He's back there.
Now! It felt good for a minute, though. Hey, no.
He ain't scared. She ain't scared. She got her drink. I'll get you. Any more takers? He's not gonna need four-wheel drive, but I don't know. We used to come through here.
When I pulled up on it, you can see the current running down.
Yeah, okay, but yeah, you can see the current running through it, but right here it's smooth. Remember we came through that water wheeling when Chris and all them was there?
My wife ain't gonna make it.
You can't get around over there?
Nah, where I went over there, it just dropped off into a hole. I just don't know how deep it is in the middle. It's only knee deep.
It's only knee deep, his knees are to your seat. Uh-oh, we got an experienced walker right here.
Don't get mad, it's right up there.
You got it? He said that's like an 87 Chevy. Is he swimming? He's shaking his head, hell no. Shit. Well, we gonna have to turn the fuck around. That's what's going on here.
Hey, what about you?
I can't see you deep running.
Yeah,
It's about 5.5 foot tall and it gets that deep.
That's it right there. You don't get no deeper.
I promise you, if I had full drive, I'd be all for it.
but not today, friend. Yeah, he was.
Hey, I thought it was deep. I didn't expect it to be that deep.
No, I'm glad we didn't. I'm glad you just didn't be like, fuck it.
I told you I was just testing the waters, bro.
You're good right there. Don't kill it though.
He drove off so fast, I was like, It goes off so fast when we
I mean,
rolled up on it.
that motherfucker was swimming out there. I look like that he was doing a breaststroke. The breaststroke.
It was Chad where I swung my bike right up his foot.
That shit is.
How do we get around this?
I don't think you
I'm
can
not
get
so
through
sure
there
of it,
either.
dog.
No, I don't think so. Chad went around there and I don't think you can get through. It's just as deep.
Yeah, I
We
think.
ain't rode out here a lot. We're trying to find trails.
Yeah, I mean, we can take it back over that way. I mean, you know what assholes and elbows lies over there on the other side of that bridge, man.
We got two.
That might be what they want.
We got two boilers with us that'll stop, but we'll winch them through as long as the water don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're talking about bad mud.
Yeah, it is
You know.
mad. It's mud.
Water is one thing, mud is another.
When my heavy ass
You
gets stuck,
gotta
my
wait.
ass gets stuck.
I guarantee you that going out that way is deep.
Yeah, no, we can.
I can tell.
I really thought this was the road to the river, but it's not.
We went to the river just a minute ago. Man, this feels better than the damn river.
Okay, but when you get to the river, there's some trails to the left. Did y'all go down those?
Yeah, and
I hit record. You gotta go now. Shit.